Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make your own DIY aromatherapy candles at home. Let's get started. First, gather your materials: soy wax, essential oils, candle wicks, heat-resistant containers, a double boiler, thermometer, stirring utensil, and a wick centering device. Measure the soy wax and melt it in a double boiler over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature, aiming for 170-180 F. Once the wax is melted, add your essential oils. The general rule is 1 ounce of essential oil per pound of wax. Stir thoroughly to combine. Prepare your containers by placing a wick in the center of each. Use a wick centering device to keep the wick in place. Carefully pour the melted wax into the containers, leaving a small space at the top. Allow the candles to cool and harden for at least 24 hours. Once the candles have hardened, trim the wicks to about inch above the wax for a clean and even burn. And there you have it. Your very own DIY aromatherapy candles, perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips and tutorials.